Why does facing your fears work? Well, it works because you now have control over that fear. You know that fear intimately because you walked through it. You know what's a real threat and what's really not a threat. And so that decreases that anxiety, that nervousness, and gives you empowerment, gives you power, gives you control over the uncertainty of fear, the uncertainty of the unknown, the uncertainty of the future. Because when you continually process fear and work with it and go through it and get comfortable in the unknown and the uncertain, well, you start rising through the ranks really quickly. Let's take skydiving, for example. That's facing one of the biggest primal fears we're born with, the fear of falling. See, the skydiver may not necessarily trust the plane he's flying in to jump out of, nor may he even trust the parachute or the equipment that he's using. But what he does trust is his ability to use the equipment effectively, to rely on all of his training, to execute emergency procedures when there is an emergency, so that he can safely make a skydive and land and repeat that process over and over and over again.